Very important video. So just now National Students Union of India, that is NSUI, they have submitted a document to ICI against conduct of CA examinations in November 2020. So in this document they have presented some points why CA exam should postpone to January or February for all. They have given some important considerations. In that they said that states like Delhi, Maharashtra, Karnataka, where second wave of corona is starting, and since CA examinations are 18 days long, it is very difficult for students to give such in such environment. So NSUI is demanding postponement of examinations till January or February. And also another thing is that many students have brought to our notice that their examination centers is allotted near COVID-19 center, which is clear violation of MHA guidelines. Therefore, NSUI is requesting to revise SOP guidelines and also increase number of examination centers which are located far away from containment zones. And one more point, since examinations has been postponed multiple times, it is evident that ICA is not fully prepared to conduct the examinations. Therefore, NSUI requests you kindly take all the safety arrangements first and then plan to conduct the examination in risk-free environment. And one more thing, there are several students who are COVID positive earlier and now they opted from the examination. Also, there might be students who may get infected during the examination time. So, the examination is very dangerous in the present situation. So, NSUI is demanding postponement once again, and ICI should request the Ministry of Railway to run more special trains to help the CA students to go to their examination centers, and NSUI will give their full support in this case. And it is clearly mentioned in self SOP that if any student get symptom of COVID-19 while writing the examination, he or she will not be allowed to continue with the remaining exams. Therefore, NSUI is requesting that particular student who have given their examinations in earlier, and they should be given an opportunity to give the other examinations in January or February. So to avoid these all uncertainties, ICI should officially release a detailed notification with exact date. ICI should rethink about the decision to conduct examination in November. So NSUI is what it is demanding is that it is demanding risk-free examination for all CA students. So this is memorandum submitted by NSUI to ICAI today. Say they have also signed this regarding CA exams. For latest updates, subscribe